Welcome to another edition of the video blog here on yourlondonkyweather.blogspot.com. It's Saturday, February 13th, and we have another winter storm heading our way towards southeastern Kentucky. Winter storm watches have already been posted by the National Weather Service. Those run through late Monday evening. They're saying we could see anywhere to 4 to 8 inches of snow, and I think that's a pretty good forecast. And the major impacts from this storm are going to be heavy snow. It's going to be a light, fluffy snow, but we're going to see a lot of it. It's definitely going to create some problems with road conditions. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what the models are showing for this storm. This is the GFS for Sunday morning at 7 a.m. Low pressure off to our west. This is a clipper system digging in. A fast-moving low pressure, but it's different from a lot of clippers as it's going to slow down and intensify right on top of Kentucky. And the farther south this thing goes, the better chance southeastern Kentucky will have for seeing a significant snowfall. And let's go ahead and start taking a look at temperature. Notice the GFS is showing 37 degrees at London. However, this is a very shallow, warm pocket of air. Most of the models are showing nothing but snowfall for the region. You can see that here on the precipitation type map. I'm thinking it's mainly snow. This could be one of those cases where we see a 33, 34, 35 degree snowfall, and it could really start piling up if we get a heavier band, especially going into Sunday night into Monday morning. Here's the GFS Sunday night at 7 o'clock. The low pressure is still off to our west, but snow starting for London, Lexington, points off to the east at this point. And the heaviest snow is likely going to occur overnight and early Monday morning as that low pressure works along the Tennessee-Kentucky border. We could see some pretty decent snowfall by Monday morning. 1 to 3 inches at least is a good possibility for most folks, and the snow sticks around going all the way into Tuesday evening, 7 o'clock. Upslope snow showers at this point with a northwesterly wind coming off the Great Lakes dragging moisture down, and it sticks around all the way through Wednesday morning at 7 a.m. and some models keeping it around even in the parts of Thursday. So a lot of snow potential this week. Going to be a long drawn out event. Looking at totals on the NAM model through Tuesday at 7 a.m. Notice most of the heaviest snow on the NAM staying up near Louisville back toward Cincinnati. GFS going a bit heavier for southeastern Kentucky. I think the snow band sets up somewhere along I-64. That's where the heaviest of totals will be. We're going to say 5 to 10 inches from Louisville up to Cincinnati. 4 to 8 for most of Kentucky, though, with more, especially in the mountains of Harlan County, back towards Bell, over to Pike County. And then once you get up into West Virginia, my folks in the WOAY viewing area, watch out. 6 to 12 for most of the viewing areas, mountain counties, with 12 plus in the highest elevations likely. So here's what we need to be on the lookout for. Hazardous travel conditions with likely inches of snow possible, especially on the side roads, back into those valleys and hollers, those areas that don't get plowed that often. Also, winds are going to be a bit gusty, so blowing snow can be a problem, and this snow is going to stick around because we're not getting much above freezing at all most of this week. Looking at a very cold and snowy week with snow chances off and on all the way through Friday. So that's going to be a very long duration event. We could put even more snow down on top of this by the end of the week, and another storm system is possible for next weekend. We'll talk about that coming up. We'll have more updates coming up for tomorrow, but until then, take care. This has been another edition of the video blog here on yourlondonkentuckyweather.blogspot.com.